situation ever occurs, my speed dial links my heart to hers. Our handy cell phones help us out, convenient, easy with no doubt. Yes, certainly they have their place, but can't we talk once face to face? Thank you.
Competition. Kindly please have a look there. Our teachers are sitting there.
I still remember my beautiful days spent with my daddy, dadas and nanny nanas. You know why we are gathered here? I still remember my beautiful days spent with my daddy, dadas and nanny nanas. Nice. Yes. For every program, there should be good beginning. So let us start our program by lighting off the lamp. They are very special in my life. Because Mr. Dhanurata, Miss Vidya ma'am, with us to light the lamp. Program with a welcome speech by Mr. Ma'am.
Good morning to one and all. We, the family of Global Indian International School, Uppal Campus, extend a warm welcome to our chief guest for the day, Ms. Jaya Neelam, Joint Secretary of ECA Telangana, our Principal Sir, Mr. Athanurat, our dearest lovable grandparents, the pillar and support of our school, our dear parents, my darling students, and all our dear teachers. We are delighted to have amongst us Ms. Jaya Neelam, who is the Joint Secretary of the Early Childhood Association, that's for Telangana region. She is an educator, a child researcher, curriculum developer, a teacher trainer, and above all, a very good teacher. She has accomplished her master's degree from the Postgraduate Department of English Literature and her Bachelor of Education from the University of Hyderabad. She is a teacher. Basically, all of us, we are proud to be a trainer and a counselor in the educational organizations. As also being a teacher, she has invested substantial time in career guidance and counseling of many students. Child support and welfare is one of her priorities. Her research career began as an undergraduate student and has spanned in varied areas such as school administration, in teaching, early childhood education. She has researched, developed and designed a creative curriculum for preschool and primary level school children. She believes that learning is something that is not restricted just schools, but part of our everyday living. She is a consultant and has organized several workshops at various private institutes, Anganwadis and organizations associated with teacher training and education, and actively involved in the development, programming, planning and in the welfare of our very young children. We welcome you, ma'am. I also extend a warm welcome to our dear Principal Sir, Mr. Athanurat. With his personal care, love and concern, has nurtured our school to greater heights. I welcome you, sir. A grandparent is one who strengthens you with their prayer, blesses you with love, and encourages you with hope. So I'm delighted to offer a rapturous warm welcome to all our enthusiastic grandparents for adding color to our today's event with their benign presence. Nevertheless, to mention our dear parents who have constantly supported our school in all its endeavors. We welcome and void. So our little angels are all geared up to rock you with their performances. So sit back and enjoy and have a fantabulous day ahead. Thank you.
Are you all ready? So quickly call upon my friends to the dais to perform the welcome. Together to welcome our friends to perform a dance.
2, 1! Yeah, man, I told you Sergeant Rogers back again with this wicked jump on your face, man. And your DJ, run this beat, man. Rock your body, girl. Rock your body, girl. Rock your body, girl. Rock your body, girl. Move your body, girl. Move your body, girl. Move your body, girl. Move it. Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppa Gangnam Style. Sexy lady. Oppa Gangnam Style. Sexy lady. This is the puppy song, girl. This is the puppy song, girl. This is the puppy song, girl.
It was a spectacular performance. Now our friends are going to perform a skit. Let me see what happens in skit.
Hello. Hello, Mama. It's me, Rakesh. I reached safely.
Oh, Beta, how was your journey?
Mama, journey was little tiresome.
Take care, Beta.
Okay, Mama. Call you later.
Bye.
Bye. After 1 week.
Oh, him? Yes, I am also missing him. It has been a long time that we have seen him.
Mama! Mama!
What, Rahul?
Granny and Grandpa are badly missing Papa.
Is it? Let us give them a surprise.
Dada! Daddy! Come here! We have a surprise for you.
What happened?
Come here. We will show you something.
Hi, Rahul. Hello, Mama. Hi, Papa.
Wow! I can't believe. How are you, Beta? Happy to see you, Beta. It is unbelievable. I can see and talk to you, though you are in US. Your generation has got nice technology, son.
This is Skype, Grandpa. I will show you how to operate it.
Okay, let us have dinner. Tomorrow you have storytelling competition, right?
Okay, Papa. Good morning, children. Good morning, ma'am. Have you prepared for your storytelling competition? Yes, ma'am. Okay, let us begin with Siddharth. Siddharth? Priya? Rahul? A big round of applause for all of you. Everyone has narrated very well. Any guess? Who got the prize? Siddharth, Rahul, Priya. Today's prize winner is Master Rahul. Come here, Rahul. Congrats. Who told you this story?
Ma'am, I learned it from my grandmother. Every day she narrates a story before we go to bed.
At home.
Grandma! Grandma!
What, Rahul?
Thank you so much, Grandma. Today I got a prize in storytelling competition. This prize is for you.
Congrats, Rahul. God bless you, dear. Nevertheless,
First principal and the test share his valuable words with us.
Honorable Chief Guest, Ms. Jaya Neelam, respected grandparents, parents, students and teachers. It's a great day for us when we see grandparents amongst us. Because these days we do not find in many families, because of our work compulsion, grandparents staying with us. I think those who are having grandparents are highly blessed. As the word says grand, it means grand in all sense. Maybe in terms of the thought process, in terms of their care and affection for us, and also the bridge between the parents and the grandchildren. In this fast life, we all miss the communication between the parent and the child. And many a times, the child misses that. With the grandparents at home, the communication gap is bridged. So I feel the grandparents really are the support system of our home or the family. They really make what family is. They keep on guiding us. They keep on blessing us. And of course, they always make us understand the values, the ethics, the culture of our family, of our country. That's what is missing nowadays. In this fast-forward world, we have lost patience. We have become a lot of intolerance coming up in society. That's where the grandparents do play a very major role. Because they calm you down, they make you understand what the value of patience, tolerance, and instill in us all those things which really makes a better world to live in. I remember from my childhood days, I used to walk with my grandpa, holding his hand, one side myself, other side my sister used to walk, to the school. It was very nearby to our house. On the way, he used to say so many good things. And being grandchildren, he used to always say, Grandpa, we want one toffee or a chocolate. So we used to tell him to move to that side, where the shops were there. And without any hesitation, he used to purchase those chocolates, the small ones that time. Now we have Cadbury's and all those big chocolates. That were small chocolates, or toffees we call those days. But those memories are always and always in our mind. The way the stories were told in a bedtime, and we always hide behind our grandpas and grandmas whenever we got scolding from our parents. And parents were speechless when the grandpas and grandmas stand in front of them. So at times we found them as a protection from any kind of things coming against us. So great inspiration for all the young generation to have lovely grandparents. And I wish, even though you're all busy in our work, to have our grandparents along with us. I salute all the grandparents here for the constant love and affection, blessings to the grandchildren, and guiding their own sons and daughter-in-laws or daughters for a better career. Thank you. God bless.
Zubi pampara, zubi parampa, zubi nace que paga esta pena. Zubi pampara, zubi parampa, zubi nace que paga esta pena. शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, पुरों पे भंवरे गा रहे, दीवाने गाने गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे हैं। वो बगिया में दे फूलों ये हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू। आई 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 सुबी डूबी पंपारा, सुबी डूबी परम्पा, Zubi dubi nace que pagas de Bedman.
Now our friends will
my dear young friends, it gives me immense pleasure to be here this morning and to address the young children and the most experienced guests of GIIS School on the occasion of its Grandparents' Day celebration. Well, the kids have already set me a place, but then they're on the floor. As the quote says, what roots are to trees, grandparents are to the family. Very truly said. They nurture us and hold us strongly and firmly connected to our values and traditions. Grandparents are our heritage and are essential members of our families and communities. Well, that is why this special day has been celebrated and GIIS School has initiated to take up this. Grandparents should never be overlooked in the families. We should give them opportunities to be part of every joy. We should construct such a structure of the society that there may not be any need of the old age homes. We should develop this feeling of respecting the grandparent among the students right from the beginning. And yes, I would say the school have already started that. And this is quite appreciating. I would personally give a round of applause to all the grandparents present over here and to the GIIS management who have actually organized the event. This is very appreciated. Nowadays we generally see the younger generation, they get diverted, deviated very easily. So, the younger generation needs to reach out to the senior citizens with empathy as they stand to benefit from the wealth of experience gained by them in their journey of life. It is a praiseworthy step taken by the GIIS School to honor the grandparents through the celebration of this day. The present program suffuses a way of love, affection, respect among students. Nowadays, we see the values are generally eroding day by day. By this program or this event, we are basically inculcating the same values, and I hope that the students will revive these values and have the feelings of warmth and love towards their grandparents. And personally, I would like to congratulate the whole management, the staff members for their success of the program and their teamwork. And nevertheless, not to forget the tiny tots who rock the floor. They have done a wonderful job. In fact, I was sitting there and tapping my feet on the beats of the music. So I couldn't stop myself. So they made me involved. I will also take this opportunity to thank Ms. Vidya and the principal sir who invited me and made me the part of this celebration. Thank you so much. It was a great day and I'm going to cherish this moment and these memories will always be with me. Thank you so much.
So the grandfather, I think it's a long time you have given a garland to your wife, your better half. So we'll start that. Welcome. I just call the grandfathers and mothers as a couple to please come. And the name given was N. Vema Reddy sir and Haimavati. And the second one S. Sudarshan and Shyamalata. Please come here. Mr. N. Vema Reddy and Haimavati, N. Sudarshan and Shama. That is the challenge.
చక్కగా నీట్గా అల్లేసి తల్లో పెట్టాలి. ఎవరైతే అందంగా అలంకరిస్తారో వాళ్ళు విన్నర్స్. 2 minutesలో మేము చెప్తాము టైం. ఎప్పుడైతే అందంగా మాల అల్లాలి, అలాగే అందంగా అలంకరించాలి జడలు. లాస్ట్ కాల్. వెయిట్ మ్యామ్, ఉండండి ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఓన్లీ 1 minute. $59, $58, $57, $56, $55, $45. సార్ తాతయ్యలు హెల్ప్ చేయండి, పూలు అందివ్వండి వాళ్ళకి. Encourage them with your claps. Fast, 10, 3. Stop. Now, grandpas, పెట్టచ్చు ఇంకా జడలో పెట్టేసేయండి. We love to see that. వెరీ గుడ్. అమ్మమ్మాస్ అండ్ నాయనమ్మాస్ చాలా ఉన్నట్టున్నారు. ఎవరు ఎక్కువ పెడితే వాళ్ళు విన్నారు. Don't touch the finger. You are not supposed to touch the finger. అస్సలు పడిపోకూడదు, ఒక్క పాయింట్ కూడా పడకూడదు. ఎన్ని పెడితే అంత విన్నర్ అవుతారు. పడిపోతున్నాయి, పడకూడదు. Stop. Now the game over. Stop. The participants are M. Krishna. It's a couple game only. And the next game participants also should be ready for the next game. That is walk with your grandson. Walk slowly, you talk to each other, tell some stories while walking. Either grandfather or grandmother, ఏదైనా స్టోరీ చెప్పుకోండి, సినిమా స్టోరీ చెప్పండి. చిన్నగా నడుచుకుంటూ వచ్చేది. Shall we start? Mama, shall we start? 1. Tight గా కట్టండి. Yeah, 1 and 2. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. ఎప్పుడు చూసుంటారు. Now next game is walk with the grandson or granddaughter. Any of your grandchild. I would like to call the grandfathers here. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలంటే మీ గ్రాండ్ చైల్డ్ ని మీ కాళ్ళ మీద నుంచో పెట్టుకొని అక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడ దాకా సేమ్ అంతే. మీరు ఇంకా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు. టైం లిమిట్ లేదు, ఎవరు ఫస్ట్ వస్తే వాళ్ళు విన్నర్. వాళ్ళు కాళ్ళ మీద నుంచోవాలి, నడుచుకుంటూ ఇక్కడ దాకా రావాలి.
I think this is the best part. ఎందుకంటే తాతలు అమ్మలు అమ్మమ్మలకి అందరికీ ఇష్టం ఇది వాళ్ళ గ్రాండ్ చిల్డ్రన్ తో. ఫస్ట్ లేడీ ఓన్లీ 3 ఇట్స్ బంపర్ ఆఫర్ అగైన్. Mrs. and Mr. Philochana, for the making garland, they made a wonderful garland and he decorated his wife also. Mrs. and Mr. Narayana for the first prize. Mr. Together, Mrs. and Mr. Vema Reddy, please be ready for your prize. Let's walk. The last grandfathers, Mrs. and Mr. Vijaya. It's an individual game. Second, for grandmothers, Mrs. and Mr. Mallikarjun. Thank you so much for active participation for all the fun games. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Deepa to give vote of
our dear Principal Sir, HA ma'am, and Vice Principal ma'am, and our dear colleagues. I also thank everyone who were involved in making this program a grand success. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
क्या कर रहा है? वो जो मेन है ना उसका निकाल कर दी